Happy 420, everybody. I hope everyone has a good one and stay safe. And if you are participating, have fun and stay safe in your house. Don't go anywhere. You can be perfectly fine by yourself. But anyway, let's get into the art today. I drew inspiration for this art from a popular tattoo design I see online all the time, so I wanted to do my own little version of it. I used my own hands as models. I'm not very good at drawing hands, and if you have watched my videos before, you'll notice that I got some chubby little hands. But yeah, this is what I came up with for this year's 420. It's only going to happen once in our lifetime probably, so why not make some art to commemorate it? So my color choices here. If you watched my last video, you notice I went navy blue and gold, and I'm still kind of stuck on that aesthetic right now. And I wanted this to have a lot of royal colors in it, like, symbols for royalty. So I chose purple, and I chose gold again, but I also threw in blue because it is also a color reserved for royalty back in the day. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I went with this smoking kind of sign instead of like the pinched fingers or the one that I was in the inspiration picture. Yes, because I felt like it filled up the canvas better and had just a overall better presentation. So yeah, that's why I did that. And I also did a feminine and a masculine hand. These hands can belong to whatever person you can imagine them being, but I wanted to be as inclusive as possible with the hand types. I wish I did different skin tones. Like maybe I can go in the future in Photoshop and do different skin tones and different nails and such. But considering these are hanging in my home, so I just did, my pale skin tone of me and my boyfriend. We're both pretty pale people, so it's gonna match our house. But in the future, if this channel gets more support, I can Photoshop these and get prints of whatever colors you all want. So yeah, that's that. You'll notice that the end painting changes a little bit. Like I did have flowers there, but I changed it to a bud instead of purple kush, whatever they call it, purple haze. I don't know what it's called in the movies. We don't see those things around here. But yeah, I changed it to that. It's because I felt like purple from the background needed to be brought into the foreground a little bit. And let's see what else. Oh, I painted it the way that I painted it simply because that's the way that I paint things. I like to work in layers. I like to go over things that I draw. So yeah, I feel like I should mention that I have a TikTok channel now, and it's also Renee's Creations. But I'm gonna be posting whips of works in progress of pieces and work in progress shots, just to help shorten the YouTube videos if I can. So if you want to see something like that, be sure to go follow me over on TikTok. Also, you'll see a little bit of my day-to-day life there. I don't post many of those things just because I'm not that interesting of a person. Sometimes I think I'm funny, and other times I just get, bitchy. So if you are into that kind of thing, be sure to give me a follow. Also, I do have buttons ordered. of these pieces. I don't know when I'll get them, just with the pandemic that's currently happening, but the company I'm using to get them made told me that production is halted until further notice, but my order is in a queue, so as soon as they're able to start up production again, it will happen, and I should have them within a couple weeks of production starting again. So these will be able to be purchased in pin form sometime in the future, I hope. Okay, in this next bit, it jumps to being partially outlined already. That's because I tried to do it in micron pen at first, and it just was not happening. So I had to go with doing kind of a pin striping technique with a brush. I don't normally like to do it because I'm not very good at it. At least I don't think I am. But I do like how this turned out because I was really able to control the thickness of my lines in areas that I just wouldn't have been able to accomplish in the pen like I would have wanted. So I'm actually kind of glad the pen didn't work. I'm not crazy about my lettering. I've never been very good at handwriting. You should see my chicken scratch. But, I think it adds a certain hominess to the designs. But yeah, I mostly outlined them because I did want them to look kind of like a traditional tattoo. Not to toot my own horn or nothing, but I love how the flame on my lighter turned out. I think that's like the best fire I've ever painted. Coming up, you'll see that I went around this in that white pen again. I know, stop talking about the white pen. We get it, you love the white pen. But I just gotta tell you, this white pen is freaking awesome. Look how it makes this look. Like, it makes it pop off that canvas, and it gets rid of some of my mistakes that I made with the gold paint. I love it. Just pretty. You ever see something so pretty you want to lick it? Is that just me? I don't know. But sometimes you see something that's so cool, you just won't lick it, I guess. I'm such a freak. Pay me no mind. Alright, so here they are done. After I finished the pen outline, I did go through and add some shimmer and glitter to areas. Like the bud, I put some glitter. I put some silver glitter down at the bottom, and some silver and gold for sparks up here around the flame, and some silver there for the smoke, and a little bit of red glitter there in the joint. Ooh, it's real pretty in person, and it framed up so nice. I can't wait to hang it up. Like, I was gonna put this up for sale as just a piece for sale, but I love it. I'm definitely gonna get prints made. The buttons won't be glittery. I wish they were, but they won't be. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it more than you can know. To help support my channel and hopefully get me to where I can financially afford to actually get prints done and just do all the things I want to do as an artist, please subscribe. You don't even have to watch my videos. You just subscribing will help me a lot. Visit any of my links in the description down below. I have an Etsy store. I don't have a lot on there right now, but I do have some things. I got some originals up for sale there. And yeah, I just appreciate you being here. Appreciate you for watching these videos. I am so thankful. And I just hope y'all have a happy historical for 2020. And I hope you stay safe. And I hope you wash your hands. And you're just be a good person today. Alright. Love y'all. Bye.